I have been telling people this was a goal, that this was going to happen. So here it is. I'm going to put it up right now. The Supreme Court formally asked to overturn landmark same-sex marriage ruling. Now, you guys may remember this. Her name is Kim Davis. She is a former clerk who refused gay couples, and then she brought the appeal here. This was 10 years. This is happening 10 years after the Supreme Court extended marriage rights to same-sex couples nationwide. The justices this fall will consider for the first time whether to take up a case that explicitly asks them to overturn that decision. Now, Kim Davis, I don't know if you guys remember that. For those of you who are of a certain age, former Kentucky County Clerk, she was jailed for 6 days in 2015 after refusing to issue marriage licenses to a gay couple on religious grounds. She is appealing a $100,000 jury verdict for emotional damages plus $260,000 for attorney's fees. Simone's going to talk to us about that. In a petition for writ of certiorari, filed last month, Davis argues First Amendment protection for free exercise of religion immunizes her from personal liability for the denial of marriage licenses. We knew this was going to happen. I'm surprised that it happened so quickly. I thought it would take, maybe 2 years into the administration, but here we go, just over 6 months, and it is happening now. What do you think?
I'm worried for y'all, Don. I'm worried for the gays. I'm worried for them because this Supreme Court pretty much is doing all of Trump's bidding. And more specifically, so the first issue is whether the Supreme Court is going to hear it at all. They have not confirmed whether they're going to hear it, but they have been asked. They're going to be confirming if they're going to hear it. And if they do, my concern is that there is a real probability that they will rule that in her situation, she said she was denying it based on religious grounds, that they could, for example, rule, well, yes, gays can marry, but if a clerk wants to deny it on religious grounds, they have the right to. Well, what do we think is going to happen in all of those red states? I think this is a real legitimate concern. And the way that people blew off Roe v. Wade last time, nope, I ain't playing that. This time, this is under attack.
And everyone I spoke to said they will do it. And you know who sent me a note back saying they will do it? That's Jen Welch from the I've Had It podcast. By the way, let me tell you guys, some of you have been asking. Jen Welch had an emergency in her family. You guys know that Jen and I are good friends. So she's not blowing us off, but she's not blowing you off. But Jen had an emergency in her family, and she said she would either try to be here towards the end of the show, which is why we didn't take it off of the thumbnail, because she's going to try to show up. If not, Jen will be on tomorrow morning. She's taking care of some family business right now. We certainly understand why she is doing that. Let me just say this. You see Symone Redwine right here? Symone Redwine is going to be our moderator at City Winery for the DL episode 2, which is happening now. You can get your tickets. Now, here's the thing. You're our moderator for Tuesday night. Now, we need a moderator Wednesday because they added a show because we sold out, Symone. Now, I don't know if you're in town, if you're going to be able to.
I'm available. Yeah.
You're available to do it Wednesday as well?
Yeah. So, I'm here for the week.
So I am announcing that Symone Redwine will be there. She's going to be a part of the show. She is going to be walking around with the microphone, moderating everything, keeping me in line, DL Hughley in line, and the folks in the crowd in line. She's going to answer your legal questions about, is it legal what's happening in this country? So Symone Redwine will be the moderator for DL Anything Goes on Tuesday night, which is tomorrow night, and then Wednesday night for the second show. So, and then we also have some special guests that will be there both nights. And if you're going to be so ticked if you didn't get your tickets. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not bullshitting you. I'm not like trying to get you to buy, but you're going to be ticked if you don't come and see this show, because it's going to be amazing. The first show, people were like, I did not even expect this. I can't wait to come see it the next time. So DL, it should be pinned to the top of the chat. We may have our merch there, but DL, this is the second show that's added on Wednesday night, the 13th. Okay.